This is Kanab, Utah. I'm at the Starlight primitive campground. So there's no hookups, but there's access to water and showers. And because of my off-grid setup by Fenix Solutions, I have so much power from these solar panels I probably could have done with just one set. So all four of these is considered 450 watts, and they fold up really nicely. They are 25 pounds, so after a while it gets a little old if you're frequently traveling, but I extended the cord 30 feet, which I probably should have gotten even longer, just for flexibility. And I have two of those, and Sequoia from Fenix Off-Grid Solutions had actually modified this so it's a plug and play with my Bluetti. My Bluetti has been amazing. It's about 86 pounds, but I don't really need anything else. Right now I am at 100% of DC, almost 100%. I'm getting about 753 watts of input. Sorry, 752 watts input. And then once my battery on the inside of my camper, which is a lithium, an Epoch lithium 350 amp, once that needs replenishing, I just hit this button, the AC, and that's what gives you your 120 volt. So I can work the microwave and anything that plugs in, really, like TV. Right now it's outputting 1171 watts. But, and then that'll be 100%. And I'm getting so much sun right now that, and this is just the morning, that, yeah, I could sell my energy here. Now, if you want to see my Outequip Pro, sorry, my camper is a little messy right now. This is my Outequip Pro. It was about 850 bucks on Amazon, and I linked the I linked it to this feed here. But anyway, you're gonna hear what it sounds like, which is absolutely incredible. I mean, if you've had our huge beast before, it is so efficient, it is so nice, so quiet, and it really doesn't pull a whole lot of energy. So if I even go it builds up and then it just drops off a little bit. What do you think, Andy? You like the AC? Let's go see how much it's pulling. Okay, right now. So right now it is pulling, wait, I need my glasses. Well, it's inputting so much that it's not pulling anything right now. So yeah, that's crazy. I don't know how that happens. Anyway, okay. Well, that's a long video. I didn't plan on doing that, but enjoy the scenery. If you have any questions, I'm gonna start hopefully putting up some videos about my experience coming out west here, and first time ever having a camper, let alone having this Rover.